Alright, good luck everyone. All runners, see you at the finish. Be safe.
Mount Ugo Marathon is an endurance event organized by Intrepid Spirit that is part of the King of the Mountain Trail Run series that combines long-distance running with the challenging terrain of mountainous landscapes. Participants, often called trail runners or mountain ultramarathoners, navigate through rugged trails, steep ascents, and descents, requiring a combination of physical fitness, mental toughness, and navigation skills. The route is roughly 47 kilometers with more than 3,000 meters of vertical ascent, which passes through Mount Ugo, which is the highest point of the race, with the breathtaking terrain of the Cordillera mountain range. I recently had the exhilarating opportunity to participate in the Mount Ugo Marathon, and I can confidently say it was an unforgettable experience that pushed both my physical and mental limits.
6 a.m. it's drizzling. Yeah, I would like the temperature but without getting wet.
This challenging race, set against the breathtaking backdrop of rugged mountain terrain, offered a unique blend of adrenaline-pumping ascents and technical descents that left me in awe.
Yeah, if there's one thing you'll notice, the trail is so clean. It's well manicured.
The trails were a mix of single track, rocky paths that tested participants' agility and stamina. The route, spanning 43 kilometers, it was supposedly 47 kilometers but had to cut the course due to an ongoing forest fire at the other side of the mountain, showcased the natural beauty of the mountainous landscape, with every turn revealing panoramic views that made the grueling effort worthwhile.
Kevin, what do you think of the trail? It's so clean, huh?
Yes, super clean and super wide.
Yeah,
Good job, Intrepid.
very runnable. Kevin is gonna be overtaking us soon. So fast. Yeah, enjoying the weather so far.
One standout aspect of the Mount Ugo Marathon was the diversity of terrain, from narrow ridges with steep drop-off to lush pine forest sections that provided much-needed shade. The course constantly kept participants on their toes. The well-thought-out course design ensured the balance between technical challenges and the opportunity to appreciate the awe-inspiring surroundings.
still wide, don't worry.
The race atmosphere was electric, with participants from various backgrounds coming together to share a love for trail running. Camaraderie among runners, coupled with the encouraging cheers from volunteers and spectators at aid stations, created a sense of community that fueled my determination to conquer the next hill. The aid stations were strategically placed, offering not only essential hydration and nutrition but also morale boosts with their enthusiastic volunteers.
Hindi, yung pangalawang lead. Kanina lang, may 2 minutes. Dumalpas na ako. Bakit? Ang lamig niya. Oo. Buti mahangin, no? Ang hirap nang sanay sa init. Hindi rin kayo yung araw.
Then 01, 2, 01, 31, and 004.
Okay. Woo. Vicious uphill. Yep. We're wrecked. Just came down from the summit. then past 1A water station. Now we're just doing a recovery pace. Oh, holy shit! Well, the GoPro went downhill, went ahead of us, almost fell there. Woo!
The race organizers spared no effort in ensuring participants' safety, with ample medical support and well-communicated emergency procedures throughout the course. The post-race festivities were the perfect culmination of the day's challenges. A festive atmosphere greeted finishers, complete with food, live music, and an award ceremony that celebrated the top performers in various categories. The sense of accomplishment, camaraderie, lingered in the air as participants exchanged stories of their triumphs and struggles on the trail. In conclusion, the Mount Ugo Marathon is a must-experience event for trail running enthusiasts seeking a challenging yet rewarding adventure. And I do mean this. The combination of a well-designed course, stunning natural scenery, and a supportive community make this race a standout in the world of mountain trail racing.
Here, just passed on Sip Sip again. Took our time. It was hot, so we just had to wind up. Itulet, balik na. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Ito si Paring Bong. Pag pinicturean ka, kagwapo ka. Oh, pag pangit na pangit ka, punta ka lang kay Bong. Kagwapo ka. Feel sorry for you guys starting late. But the view is majestic, no? Galing.
I'm halfway there.
Yeah.
Yay.
Bye, Abby. Take care.
You guys, good luck.
Love. Leonard just passed mga just left the last aid station, Bundao. We are wrecked. The last uphill before Bundao was a killer. My god, the gradient. Woo. Had to stop a couple of times just to catch our breath. Sheesh, what a bonus before it ends. And here we are, we're walking. So Clarice picked me up. 2 hours from the 2 km from the finish line, but now I'm less than a kilometer away. It hurts with the road. Oh, it's downhill. I hate this. Whopper.
Congratulations, brother.
Come on, shake. Show us the booty. Yeah. Kevin's there. Kevin. Yeah. Buzz fuel. Congrats, man.
Congrats. Good job, man.
Another one. There you go. Category